Well, hey everybody, this is Josh with Resort TV 1, and today we have the privilege of doing a tour for the first time ever of a tower room at Disney's Contemporary Resort. As you see Monorail Gold slide out of the building there, that's right, we're going to tour a tower room here at Disney's Contemporary Resort. So huge thank you to Tim Rimple for letting us look at his room. We really appreciate it, and you can see we've got a beautiful view of Chef Mickey's in the Contempo Cafe, as well as even the Mary Blair artwork down below. So incredible. I've actually never seen it from this angle up here before. So you can see clouds and birds and all kinds of things. But that's not what we're here to check out, even though it is super, super awesome. We're here to check out the rooms. One of the awesome rooms here, and they're all themed now to Incredibles. And I wasn't sure about this, but I've actually gotten to go in the room and check it out, and I'm actually really, really impressed with it. It's really cool. So you can see right between the two rooms that you can see the artwork with all the different characters from the movie there. So that's pretty cool. And this is on the 9th floor, so just so you know for reference. So let's take a look inside. All right, so here we are inside the room. We'll check out the bathroom here in just a second, but there's a little preview of it. But the main event here and what you've all been waiting to see is this beautiful room. It's not big, but it is very, very well designed and spacious. And I love the theming. It's actually really, really understated. So it's very understated in that it doesn't just take over the whole room. It doesn't just overpower you with the Incredibles. Of course, the pillows there are pretty cool with Frozone and Edna Mode on it. And of course, the little mousekeeping mouse towel arrangement there, which is really, really nice. Love that little Walt Disney quote there. One of the most important Walt Disney quotes of all time. Love that. But the carpet is very Incredibles themed. And even the couch, that orange color, that's very, keeping in style with the Contemporary. If you look at early pictures of the Contemporary, it actually does have that orange theming throughout a lot of the areas. So that's a pretty Contemporary appropriate color. So you can even see the little masks on the wall there. Again, very understated. Even on the pillow, there are masks there, which is really, really cool. And as I said earlier in the tour, if you watch my full tour, or if you are watching my full tour right now, these rooms were actually constructed separately and slid into the building when this was created. So these rooms are modular, and of course they've never been removed, but it is pretty cool the way they were constructed. As you can see the beds here. This is a standard room with 2 queen-size beds. Plenty of room, beautifully decorated. You've got reading lights on both sides here, and what I really love to see is the both regular standard 120 volt outlets and also the USB-A jacks as well. So you can go ahead and plug into the USB ports if you want to plug in and charge your device, or if you want it to charge a little faster, you can actually plug in your own charger to the standard outlet there, which is great to see. You got the phone there, which looks like it's a little newer and a little more updated than maybe in some of the resorts. And just the theming on the walls is pretty simple, just kind of this zigzag line that gives you the idea almost of the slope of the building a little bit, which is cool. And then over here you've got a little table, which is nice, so you can sit there and enjoy some food if you want, and you can move it back and forth wherever you want to go there. So that's pretty cool. There's a little footstool there as well that slides out if you want to use that. And also, these are able to be used as adjoining rooms. So you can actually book these as adjoining rooms and open these up, and so you could have 2 rooms if you have a bigger group and you want to go ahead and have everybody stay together. You can use these as adjoining rooms. A lot of resorts don't offer that now, so that's nice to see. And back over here, I kind of passed by it, but the little coffee area is really cool. And if you see like Edna Mode and all the other logos there on the coffee mugs, that's pretty neat. And then up there, it almost gives you the idea that maybe you should put like, your beverages of other type up there, which is nice. So a lot of storage, a lot of cool stuff. Before we go in the bathroom though, let's check out the balcony. I've been wanting to get out here and check that out. I really do love this lamp though. That's very Incredibles themed. It almost looks like, gives me vibes of Luxo, the Pixar lamp. I know it doesn't look like him, but it just gives me Luxo vibes for some reason. So let's go ahead and get this opened up and check out the outdoors. And this, as you may realize, is Bay Lake. And you can see the pools down there. All kinds of cool stuff. There are the garden rooms. That's all that's left, because on the other side, of course, is Bay Lake Tower. And you can see the pools there. This is the main Contemporary Resort pools and the splash pad down there at the bottom. And of course you can't see the Bay Lake Tower pool because it's kind of enclosed in the building, but you can see the marina where you can grab a boat to any other resorts, Magic Kingdom, etc. And also fireworks cruises depart from here as well. You can see the pontoon boats lined up and ready to go for that. You can also see Discovery Island right there in the middle of Bay Lake here as well. And all kinds of things. You can look off to the right here and see Epcot, Spaceship Earth. Of course, in the foreground a little more is Wilderness Lodge, and behind that the Swan and Dolphin, and even the Tower of Terror if you look really, really carefully. So amazing, amazing view. Because you might think, it's just a water view. It's not a big deal. You can't see too much. You can't see Magic Kingdom from here. So no, you can't see Magic Kingdom from here, but you can see a whole lot of other things as well. And of course, here's a great view also of Bay Lake Tower. So absolutely incredible, gorgeous views of everything from here. I love it. And then out here on the balcony itself, you have 2 chairs. Got one there and a little table. And then you have one here as well. So nice big area. You can see the building goes all the way down that direction. Back inside the room here, I want to point out that there are also outlets and USB ports on the sides of the bed as well. So it's not just in the middle. So that's nice. It's always a struggle if you're not sleeping on the inside of one of the beds and you want to put your device or whatever you want to charge. You'll have to put it in the middle and you don't have access to that. So that's really, really cool. Plus the reading lights, like I pointed out earlier. By the way, these curtains as well, you can see all the characters from The Incredibles there on those curtains. That's pretty cool. So really, really well done overall, and just not too much. Again, like I said, understated is the word I would use for sure. You can also see the TV here, which is framed nicely. And I just got the Parks and Resorts Hours channel up there. I do miss the regular resort TV, but not much we can do about that right now. Disney, if you're watching, put the regular resort TV WDW Today channel back so we can access it. We would love to see the WDW Today channel again. All right, let's go check out the bathroom and some of the closets and things. So first of all, one of the coolest things about the bathroom is it's got this sliding door, like a barn door. So this is pretty amazing. So you can see it slides on a track up there. And so it closes the bathroom like that, and it doesn't take up any space. So that's really, really efficient. It just stops right there. And you can see there then that it's closed, but it also just slides right back out of the way on this track. So that's pretty amazing. Show that in a little more wide angle view for you. You can just get a better idea of the sense of the space here. So there you go, and that opens just right up there. And again, it doesn't take any room in the bathroom itself, so that's a really great design choice there. Hello. So anyway, you can see you've got 2 sinks there. I love the modern cabinets and things like that. They're really, really nice, all the modern fixtures, and then a nice big shower with the shower head that comes from above, which is really nice. It's like a rain head or something like that. So plenty of room in the shower. And you can also see that they've got the shampoo, conditioner, body wash in there, so you don't get the disposable ones. But it's probably good for the environment because there's not as much plastic waste that way, so that's probably a good thing. All right, and then here you've got another sliding door, actually 2 doors, and it just, and you pull them and then they just come together. So that way your toilet area can be private, and that's always really nice. Most rooms have that now, but that the toilet area is private. And so what happens then is that you can use the restroom, there it goes. You can use the restroom and somebody else can be getting ready in the bathroom and you feel like you've got some privacy, which is nice. As you can see all the little Jack and everybody else there, that's pretty cool. And just outside the bathroom, you've got this little closet here. And wow, that is so cool. It's got the different like incredible super suits there. It's pretty amazing. And even a little dresser right there, which is nice to see. Little suitcase stand, extra pillows, steamers, all kinds of stuff. Really, really nice to see all of those things. Again, all the comforts of home. And what's cool is those lights turned on, and you can see the one over there on the left turned off when I close that door. So that's pretty neat, very efficient. So let's open up this door right here. We'll see what's behind door number 2. So you got a safe there, which is always nice for protecting those valuable things you don't want to leave out. And then you've got just a few shelves and drawers in there. I'm gonna be like Goofy and PhilharMagic for a second. What's this button do? Oh, cool. There are lights right there and right there. Wow. A lot of just really nice, thoughtful touches here. That's really cool. And then you've got a drawer with some coffee stuff in it. I've even left you some K-cups if you're a Keurig fan. And then a refrigerator. Nice. And one thing I forgot to show is that this bed is a flip down. So Tim is going to be my assistant here, and there you go. So you've got an extra sleeping area there, which is super, super nice. Velcro, I love it. Velcro. So this is room for 1 person then. Looks like it.
Yep, adult 2. So it will sleep an adult.
It will sleep an adult, so you can sleep 5 in this room. There's no rollaways, but you do have this. So in total, this room will sleep 5 adults. All right, everybody. Well, that's all for now for this full tour of a standard tower room here at Disney's Contemporary Resort. Be sure to leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe if you're new. All those things. And thank you to Tim Remple again for letting me tour your room. This is so cool to be able to be in one of these for the first time after all these years of, you know, just kind of sliding through this resort on monorails and wondering, what do the rooms look like? I'll have to go back and look at some of the history of what the rooms used to look like, but it's cool to see what they look like now. I would highly recommend staying here. Of course, it is pricey because you've got a prime location right here next to Magic Kingdom, and it's all about you. It's just like real estate, location, 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 right? So you're paying for that location, you're paying for the convenience of the monorail. But this is like a bucket list thing. And so I've always wanted to stay in one of these rooms. I think I'm going to save up and stay in a tower theme park view room. And so you can see that as well sometime one of these days in the next few years. That would be really great, even just for one night. So I think this is totally worth it. And an amazing room. And with the space that they've got here, they've made a really, really good use of it. It's very, very, very cool. Anyway, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Please check out all of our awesome sponsors. Links are in the description down below. And we'll see you next time. So for now, have a great big beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye. Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great big beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.